This is Merrill, Oregon. Great Northern Railroad or Railway. It's like this used to be a steam engine or two. It's ugly, whatever it is. Tinder cars. Tinder or Tinder? Something. Jeez, they got a decent collection here. Too bad they can't fix it up and run something. Opened as a museum. It's like 10 steam locomotives in a row here rusting away. Let's see. Over there is private property. No trespassing. Watkins Johnson. So I have to figure out who the heck is Watkins Johnson. Be his friend. Unfortunately, I can't go any farther. I'm stuck. Oh well. Interesting. 36. Can't even read the number on this one, but I like that pretty orange. It's a little brighter than rust. It's just barely above freezing here, so I'm walking in mud. It's not pretty. Very interesting. Like I said, hopefully somebody will be able to eventually restore at least one of these, put them to good use. Doesn't look like anybody's in a hurry to do that.